This is what inspired me to like little tiny things. This moss. I saw that when I was a little kid, growing in a crack in the sidewalk. Thought it was so neat. There was a little world there, right in that crack. Here's a little world here. There's a queen that was out being mated. Came back and got on the outside of the cage while I was at lunch. You see, these bees really want to be with her. They want her in there. And then I had that other virgin queen that had hatched while I was doing the removal. I had her in another cage and tried to get some of these workers to get in there with her, but she seemed like she was hungry and needed feeding, and of course one of them tried to sting her. So I put her in this cage, which has, well, I'm just not sure if it has a queen in there or what, but of course you see how calm they are on that honeycomb. I think they probably have the old queen in here. Although there's no telling, the old queen could be right down there. But we know we have two new queens. We got that one that was mated and that one in there. So here's going to be the split. This will be one hive. This will be another. You see, they're not even bothering me. Being real nice. Here's where they were. They had been here a long time. There's just a few. Looking around, where was Mom? Boy, I sure don't miss that helicopter noise here in Houston. This old hotel. Oh, and there's a house. Really neat house. Aluminum shingles. An old hotel